My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the site Webprotectn2.click. Webprotectn2.click website is similar to Webprotectn1.click, which is basically the same thing. This website displays misleading pop-ups that try to scare people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it looks as if these pop-ups are decent, as if they try to help you fix your computer and make it clean of threats and malware. But when you start interacting with these fake alerts, you would be brought to many deceptive pages that may promote another totally different software. You also may see the great portion of strange pop-ups attacking your screen, which could be the evidence of some adware type program currently enabled in the system. So we do recommend that you carefully research the control panel and try uninstalling any suspicious programs if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could still remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.